Good morning, 7th standard. Welcome you all for this new session. So, last class we were seeing leçon 4, les parents de Manuel, and we finished this French translation and the translation based exercise. Also, we have wrote on the online test. So, I think you would have written this in your French classwork. So, now see what's next. So, in today's class, I will teach you professions. Okay. Let us learn only professions, and we will do an exercise which is related to profession, that is exercise number 1. Okay, this exercise alone will do. Okay, so you'll repair the voiture, relay, mécanicien. So like this we will find out which profession will do which work. Okay, so let us see if there is anything which is related to profession. No. Okay, so guys, let's take page number 48. We'll see one by one. Okay, the first profession, la commerçant. La commerçant. La commerçant. Second one, l'avocat. L'avocat. Le journaliste. Le journaliste. Please repeat along with me. L'artiste. L'artiste. Le peintre. Le peintre. Le pilote. Le pilote. Le dentiste. Le dentiste. La secrétaire. La secrétaire. Le musicien. Le musicien. Le mécanicien. Le mécanicien. L'électricien. L'électricien. Les serveurs. Les serveurs. So once again I'll repeat the same page. You can read along with me. La commerçante. La commerçante. L'avocat. L'avocat. Le journaliste. Le journaliste. L'artiste. L'artiste. Le peintre. Le peintre. Le pilote. Le pilote. Le dentiste. Le dentiste. La secrétaire. La secrétaire. Le musicien. Le musicien. La mécanicien. Le mécanicien. L'électricien. L'électricien. Le serveur. Les serveurs. Let's move to the following page. La chanteuse. La chanteuse. L'institutrice. L'institutrice. Le facteur. Le facteur. La danseuse. la danseuse, la coiffeuse, la coiffeuse, le vendeur, le vendeur, l'infirmière, l'infirmière, le professeur, le professeur, le cuisinier, le cuisinier, le boucher, le boucher, le boulanger, le boulanger, le poissonnier, le poissonnier. So I'll read it once again for you. Please repeat along with me. La chanteuse, la chanteuse, l'institutrice, l'institutrice, le facteur, le facteur, la danseuse, la danseuse, la coiffeuse, la coiffeuse, le vendeur, le vendeur, l'infirmière, l'infirmière, le professeur, le professeur, le cuisinier, le cuisinier, le boucher, le boucher, le boulanger, le boulanger, le poissonnier, le poissonnier. So these are the professions that we have to learn. Okay, so based on this profession we have exercise number 1. So what we are going to do now is, so I'm going to introduce you all the profession in masculine and feminine. Since there is a gender variation in French, you have to know the masculine and feminine. So professions are also masculine and feminine, gendered in French. So whatever profession you take, that will have both masculine and feminine. And this one, some professions have same form in feminine and masculine form. That is, in case if it is given a single star, that will have same spelling for masculine and feminine. Some profession exists only in masculine form. In case if it is given 2 star like this here, that means only masculine gender is available in that particular profession. Okay, so with this we'll proceed with exercise number 1. So we'll read this masculine, feminine, and then you can go for exercise number 1. So exercise number 1, l'avocat. Point number 1, l'avocat. In feminine we have to say l'avocate. So l'avocat. So this here you should not pronounce the T, but here you have to pronounce the T. That is the difference. L'avocat, l'avocate. So that means advocate. Second one, le commerçant, la commerçante. Le commerçant, la commerçante. Shopkeeper. Électricien, électricienne. Électricien, électricienne. Electrician. Le mécanicien, la mécanicienne. Le mécanicien, la mécanicienne. Mécanique. Le musicien, la musicienne. Le musicien, la musicienne. Musicienne. L'acteur ak l'actrice. L'acteur, l'actrice. Actor. Le directeur, la directrice. Le directeur, la directrice. Directeur. Le facteur, la factrice. Le facteur, la factrice. Postman or postwoman. L'instituteur, l'institutrice. L'instituteur, l'institutrice. Primary school teacher. Chanteur, chanteuse. Chanteur, chanteuse. Singer. Le coiffeur, la coiffeuse. Le coiffeur, la coiffeuse. Hairdresser. Le danseur, la danseuse. Le danseur, la danseuse. Dancer. Le serveur, la serveuse. Le serveur, la serveuse. Waiter. Le vendeur, la vendeuse. Le vendeur, la vendeuse. Vendor or a salesperson. Le boucher, la bouchère. Le boucher, la bouchère. Butcher. Le boulanger, la boulangère. Le boulanger, la boulangère. Baker. Le cuisinier, la cuisinière. Le cuisinier, la cuisinière. Cook. L'infirmier, l'infirmière. L'infirmier, l'infirmière. Nurse. Le poissonnière, la poissonnière. Le poissonnière, la poissonnière. Fishmonger. L'artiste, l'artiste. L'artiste, l'artiste. See, for this one, either it is a male or a female that will have same spelling, that is single star, okay? Le dentiste, la dentiste. Dentist. Le dentiste, la dentiste. So no change in spelling. L'ingénieur, l'ingénieur. L'ingénieur, l'ingénieur. Engineer. Le journaliste, la journaliste. Le journaliste, la journaliste. Le peintre, la peintre. Le peintre, la peintre. Painter. Le pilote, la pilote. Le pilote, la pilote. Pilot. Le professeur, la professeur. Le professeur, la professeur. Professor or a teacher. Le secrétaire, la secrétaire. Le secrétaire, la secrétaire. Vétérinaire, la vétérinaire. Le vétérinaire, la vétérinaire. So next to secretary is veterinarian. So the last, this two, l'écrivain et médecin, this both the professions will be in male only. There is no female version of this. So we can use the male spelling and the female itself, okay? L'écrivain, l'écrivain. L'écrivain, l'écrivain, writer. Le médecin, le médecin. Le médecin, le médecin. Doctor. So far what we have seen is the masculine and the feminine form of the profession is over. Now based on this tabular column, we are going to see a exercise. So let's go for exercise number 1. So this is exercise number 1. Now we are going to read this exercise and going to find who's the person and what job he is doing. So for example, qui est. So today's online test will be based on this exercise number 1. Okay. Elle répare des voitures. So the person who repairs your car. Who will repair your car? Which profession? So will an electrician come or a mechanician will come? So il est mécanicien. So the person who repairs your car is a mechanician. So like that. Elle travaille à l'école primaire. So elle, what is given? The subject is elle. So why this is given? Because we have to go and search the feminine form of it. So l'école primaire. So who works in the primary school? See, primary school teacher. So from where we have to, this is il and this is elle. So we have to take as from here, elle est institutrice. So now we have to write. The answer is, first one's answer is elle est institutrice. So first you have to write elle and you have to write a institutrice. That is the answer. Elle joue du piano. So who will play piano? So which profession will play piano? Where is this guy? So they said elle, no? So elle means le musicien or la musicienne. So it is la musicienne. So we have to write elle est musicienne. Like this we have to check and we have to write. So see here, elle is given. So we have to repeat that elle est musicienne. You can take it in a pencil and then you can read after this class, okay? Il travaille dans un hôpital. So who works in the hospital? Let us see. Where is doctor? Doctor, let's see for doctor. Il est médecin. So médecin spelling is here. From here you can take and you can write. See, il is given. So il, a spelling is here. Médecin you can take it from the tabular column, okay? Elle fait du pain. So who makes bread? The person who makes bread. Let us search the person who makes bread. Is he here or here? See here, he is here. Le boulanger. Okay. Now we must know the boulanger masculine and feminine form. So the boulanger masculine and feminine form is here. Le boulanger, la boulangère. So now we have to see they are asking masculine or feminine. See, elle. So that is feminine. So elle est boulangère. So the second spelling from the tabular column you have to write. I'll show you where it is. This is boulangère here. This spelling you have to write because it is elle, okay? Il travaille dans un journal. So the person who works in a newspaper. Who will work? journalist. Il est journaliste. So there's a spelling. You can take the spelling and you can write it. Il est journaliste. Il is here, A spelling is here, and journalist you can take from the tabular column. Il soigne les malades, the person who takes care of the sick people. Who will take care of the sick people? Nurse, right? So first we will go and search for nurse. Where is nurse? See, nurse is here. So if it is a male one, infirmière, and female, infirmière. So this you can write here. So il soigne les malades. So il est infirmière. The first spelling you have to write. Il est infirmière. Okay, il fait des pains, des gâteaux. Okay, so des pains, des gâteaux. Only bread means boulanger. Let's see who it is. Okay. Let us search here. See if there is any suitable answer. Baker, yeah, baker. So boulanger, I think already we have done this. Cuisinier also can cook, right? So among this both, any one will become the answer, I guess. So now the question is either it is boulanger or cuisinier. Okay, this I will give you as homework. You try, because without searching you should not give the answer. So I want you guys to try. This one is boulanger, that is sure, and this one either it should be cuisinier or boulanger. So both I'll just verify and I'll give the choose multiple choice in your online test, and you choose the right one. Okay, so I'll give the option and let me see who's choosing the right answer. Okay, so in that way we can do this. So in today's class we have finished exercise number 1. So exercise number 2, 3 we will see later. Sorry, 2 is not required. Exercise number 3, 4 we will see later. As of now I want you to start writing this tabular column in your French classwork. Okay, so you can write it in the grammar part or in the front part, in the lesson part. Okay, so any one is enough. This page alone is enough. That is, page number 50 alone is enough. No need to write this 48 and 49. No need. You write page number 50 alone. Okay, so far we have finished Les Parents du Manuel, French passage and based exercise, and Les Professions, and exercise number 1. So today's test, online test, will be based on exercise number 1, and upcoming class we are going to see exercise number 3, 4, 5. Okay, so in that we will see negation. Okay, so start writing your classwork, and so far whatever we have finished, please cover it. And in today's online test you try to revise this well and get ready and do the test well. Okay, so I thank you all for today, and I wish you All the best for today's online test, and have a nice day. Okay, bye. Thank you. God bless you all.